boy GB Wolf, aka GB. Hey, I know it's been a little minute. We ain't doing unboxing over here on YouTube. I've been, you know what I'm saying, growing with a purpose. Y'all see new merch. So I'm about to take y'all behind the scenes how we do a giveaway on BadgeMafia. We're gonna be on IG Live. We're gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the pack. Stay tuned. You're gonna probably hear a couple shout outs. Big shout out to everybody that be showing love, supporting the whole Glow gang, my sniper gang, BadgeMafia. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. I don't even know what I'm giving away yet. Probably give away something that's in this pack. I'll probably give away some do-rags, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all see, if y'all not hip, if y'all ain't see the new rags we got coming out, man, y'all sleep. Big BadgeMafia giveaway. Everybody that purchased a badge, they got a number. But we got some packs I gotta bust, so we gonna save that. We gonna save a big one for the juicy one, right? As the people come in, you know what I'm saying, gonna bust the packs open. Big shout out to my Tracy Lauren family. Y'all know, y'all know, man. I be trying to put y'all on game. Every time Tracy Lauren got a sale, they restock some, I try to let y'all know. I drop posts on my Instagram. If y'all not following my Instagram, go follow my Instagram. Gifted Barber, you know what I'm saying? I bet. So this is the first pack from Tracy Lauren. Y'all see, I got products for days. This is what I've been using lately. That wave and curl butter, bro. The truth, bro. If you ain't got the wave and curl butter, y'all definitely need to go cop. It's one of my little cheat codes, you know what I'm saying? But now that we in here, now that we lit, we on YouTube, we on IG, I gotta show y'all what's in the pack though. You know what I'm saying? I got a couple packs over here, but we gonna start with this Tracy Lauren pack. You know, if you know, you know. Diva and Tracy Lauren collab, moisturizing cream, read up. And I had to go get 2 of them things. Stop playing. I was not finna run out, bro. I was not finna run out again. Big Cuzzle on the building was good. Show wavy, nigga. Number one waiver in the, you know what I'm saying? Number one. Big number one, what's good? Let's go. So y'all got a little behind the scenes action right now. If y'all don't know these products, man, bro, this is one of the only moisturizers I use. One of the best moisturizers in the game. Hey, y'all share the live, man. We got this BadgeMafia giveaway. This is strictly for the BadgeMafia Big Glow gang. Y'all already know what time it is. And y'all always showing love to me. I definitely gotta show love back to y'all. So if you new to this, you know what I'm saying? We give giveaways at the end of every month. So yeah, man, that's what came in this Tracy Lauren pack. Bro, bitch, you feel me, bro? Yeah. Since it was good. West Coast Wave, what up? Hey, I'm recording a YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably get a little shout out on my YouTube over here. Shout out to my dog King School, you know what I'm saying? This might be a giveaway, you know what I'm saying? I might throw one of these in the giveaway. But shout out to King School for this one. King School slow rolling again with the badge. And1 with the triple badge. And1 Schmitty going crazy with the Taco Tuesday. Let's go. Big Cuzzle with the Taco Tuesday. Bro, let's go. 540 Lola, sis was good. West Coast Wave, what up? I might unbox this one right here, you know what I'm saying? We got a little fat pack right here. Schmitty again with the badge, bro. Slow rolling, Schmitty. Y'all showed so much love this past month, bro. Y'all bought a badge in 13 of my lives. Like, do y'all understand how much love and support that is, bro? Like, I'm gonna do a special giveaway just for these 5 people right here. Aside from the BadgeMafia, y'all getting a top supported giveaway. I want to look out for just y'all alone for showing so much love. You know what I'm saying? Kiso was good. Kiso with the And1. Appreciate that single badge, my boy. Let's go. My dog Big Cuzzle trying to tap up there. Big Cuzzle. Shout out to Big Cuzzle, you know what I'm saying? Big Block 8. You already know what time it is. Man, bro. I was coming, bro. Shout out to King School, you know what I'm saying? School, can I unbox the pack? Appreciate you, G. Man, bro, I appreciate y'all. Let's go, Jay Liddy. What's poppin', bro? I need everybody to stay tuned. We about to do a giveaway. I gotta show y'all what's in the pack, though. This is one of the things that's in the pack. If you ain't got one of these yet, bro, you is sleep. But I got one more thing in the pack. I got one more thing. It's legendary right here. You know what I'm saying? Legendary right here. Hold on. But bro, shout out to King School for these 2 rags, you know what I'm saying? This is limited edition. This ain't even out yet. Y'all make sure y'all follow King School. Y'all DM King School if y'all want one, you know what I'm saying? My dog gonna get you right. If you ain't got the first edition, oh my God, if you ain't got the first edition, you don't even deserve the second edition, like. And I feel like the BadgeMafia deserves, you know what I'm saying, some limited edition shit, you know what I'm saying? So this is that right here. Oh my God. Y'all see, bro, this is tough. Stupid tough. I want to throw this on right now. School, can we do another giveaway? Can I purchase another one for one of the BadgeMafias, you know what I'm saying? Somebody's gonna win that, you know what I'm saying? We gotta pick 1 or 2 winners tonight. I gotta give back. I gotta support the people that's really supporting me, you know what I'm saying? Bro, Slow Roller, I appreciate you, my guy, again. One of the top supporters, you know what I'm saying? In the whole BadgeMafia, Captain the Glow gang, you know what I'm saying? But look, we got a big boy pack. Is y'all ready for this pack or nah? I definitely appreciate that double badge, you know what I'm saying? It's that 136. Y'all know, you know what I'm saying? I don't really do curves, but I couldn't pass up on some brushes, you know what I'm saying? I'm a waver at heart, baby. The barber side of me was like, bro, you don't need no brushes. The waver side was like, go get some brushes. Go get some brushes. You gotta go get some brushes. Long bristles. Nah, remember. Firm, softy, long bristle, black, long bristle. Like I could really put this bad boy to use. Like, you know what I'm saying? And bro, the paint on it just go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Larry again with the step back. Let's go, like I appreciate that, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all too much longer. I swear to God, I said I wasn't gonna buy a lot of brushes. And here I am doing the damn unboxing of a lot of brushes. Bro, what in the world? This is like a medium. I think he said this is a medium hard. Bro, this feel like a medium. It got long bristles too. Look at the colorway. Oh my gosh, bro. These look like the bristles on the red brush. But it's not, bro. It's not. They way softer, bro. It feels like a medium, a true medium. You know what I'm saying? You know my body in the building. Bro, shout out to you know my body, you know what I'm saying? I see you, bro. I see you. You ain't let down the damn gas since fucking 2020. Let's fucking go, bro. This the 133, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, this look like some Spider-Man Venom joint. What this feel like? Oh, this a little firm. This a little firmer. This like a medium hard joint right here. It feel like, it feel like a hard. I think this is a hard. I forgot what it is. But this like a medium hard. Y'all see, the bristles ain't as long. This one tough too. Like I don't think we can get none of these brushes away. I don't think we can get these brushes away, bro. I think I need all 3 of these. But damn, look how this one comes. He put a damn plastic bag. What you put a plastic bag in? Oh, you know what I'm saying? We about to get to this giveaway, man. Y'all stay tuned. Bro, what is this feel like? Bro, this feel like this right here, bro. And it come with a little plastic? Like what? It come with a plastic? Bro, what the fuck? Hell, bro. Bro, this feel like this right here. This feel like unicorn bristles. This feel like, bro, I don't know why. Bro, why is this brush so tough? Why is it so soft as well? Like, why it feel like this? Why it feel like this? And then I seen everybody using it. I seen the back of it shout out to Maisha Ebony, you know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't following Maisha Ebony YouTube, y'all make sure y'all go follow that, you know what I'm saying? One of the female wavers going crazy right now, you know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't following Maisha Ebony on Instagram, y'all better go follow that. Bro, this right here, oh heck, bro, I don't even feel it on my chin, bro. This is less than a plastic bag, bro. What in the world's going on? This is not to make a progress. If you trying to make progress with this brush, no sir, you're not finna make no progress with this brush. This is like my hair look great right now. I'm about to just flex. Yup. This is that type of brush, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to use this. This is that flexing brush. Y'all can go to brushking.org if y'all like any of these brushes. You know what I'm saying? Go get you one. Support the B.O.B. Let's go. So we just ran the giveaway on IG. My fault, y'all. It was, the time was too consuming. I've been on here about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. But shout out to my girl Court. Shout out to Just Waves. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to, you know what I'm saying, School. Shout out to T Blunt. Bro, we went crazy over here, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not following me on Instagram, y'all missing out on these dope giveaways. Man, and just stay tuned, man. Y'all never know, we might do random giveaways. We got brushes on deck. And y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all follow me at gifted_barber. Oh yeah. Before we go, if you ain't got your gifted merch, man, y'all make sure y'all get y'all limited edition blue. It's that white and blue limited joint, you know what I'm saying? I know if y'all don't know about the Black Legendary, what is, bro, if y'all, are y'all even hip to what's popping right now? Like, I know y'all see us, if you ain't got this red one, this is the latest drop right here. This is the latest drop right here. Stop playing with it, bro. Big Sue Wavy Rag collabs, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go shop giftedmerch.com. We got gifted merch, you know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all support. If y'all like this video, man, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment. It's your boy, GB Woo. I'm out of here.